welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is fine and safe. Even I am also fine. As we all celebrate 6th International Day of Yoga, I want to wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yug, which means unite. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices. International Yoga Day is celebrated for global health and peace. It is celebrated to create awareness among people so that they adapt yoga into their daily lifestyle. Ministry of Ayush and Government of India together created a protocol that has to be followed on Yoga Day. So let us quickly get into the protocol and learn what is done on this Yoga Day. Sangachadvam samvadadvam Samvo manamsi janatam Devabhagam yatha purve Sanjanana upasate.
Twist your head right side by exhaling. Come back to the normal position by inhaling and take it to left by exhaling again. Neck bendings are warm-up exercises we usually do before doing asanas. Slowly bend your head forward by exhaling and slowly bend your head backward by inhaling the air. Bend your head right side by exhaling and come back to normal position by inhaling. Now, bend your head to left side by exhaling and come back to normal position by inhaling the air. Rotate the head clockwise by inhaling the air when you bend backward and by exhaling the air when you bend forward. Repeat the process for anti-clockwise direction too. You can perform these exercises by sitting in comfortable position as well. Stretch hands by inhaling the air and relax by exhaling the air. Inhale while taking your elbows back and exhale while bringing them down. Repeat the same manner in the reverse direction also. Shoulder stretch and rotations are a part of warm-up. Breathe in and twist your body to right side by exhaling the air. Come to middle by inhaling and slowly twist your body to the left by exhaling the air. Repeat this round for 2 more times. Trunk movements should be done with care if you are a cardiac patient. Inhale and lift your hands up to shoulder level. Slowly exhale and bring the body down as shown in the video. Inhale and straighten the body. Repeat this process 2 more times. Knee movements. These are generally called as squats. Inhale and lift your arms up as shown in the video. Slowly raise your body on the heels and balance on your toes. Try to hold the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Exhale and come back to the normal position. Tadasana improves flexibility and develops concentration power of every individual. Vrikshasana. Exhale and put the right leg on the inner side of the left thigh. Slowly extend the arms up by inhaling the air. Stay for 10 to 30 seconds and breathe normally. Repeat the process from the left side also. Padahastasana. Inhale by stretching arms above the head. Exhale and bend forward until both the palms touch the ground. Stretch the back and make it as straight as possible. Now, slowly inhale and come back to the normal position. Exhale and relax your body. Ardha Chakrasana. Slowly inhale and drop the head backwards by stretching neck muscles and bending backwards. After reaching a stable position, exhale and relax. Trikonasana. Bend to your right side as shown in the video. Place the right hand on the right foot and the left hand in the air. Try to gaze at the tip of the middle finger. Remain in the position in the normal breathing. Inhale and then slowly come up. Bhadrasana. Sit straight with your legs forward and slowly pull your heels towards you as shown in the video. Continue to breathe normally in the position and stay there for some time. Tension in the abdomen is released and it also relieves the abdominal pain often experienced during menstruation. Vajrasana. Sit straight with your legs forward. Slowly fold the legs and sit on them as shown in the video. Position of the buttocks is in the space which is made between the heels. Ardha Ushtrasana. Stand on your knees. Inhale and bend backward as much as possible. Remain in the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Return with inhalation and sit in Vajrasana. Ardha Ushtrasana relieves back pain and constipation. Ushtrasana. Stand on your knees. While inhaling slowly, bend backward and put your palms on the feet. Remain in the posture for 15 seconds with normal breathing. Return to the normal position by inhalation and sit in Vajrasana. Shishankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Spread both the knees wide apart as shown in the video. Exhale and slowly stretch the back forward by sleeping on the floor. Inhale and come up and come back to Vajrasana. Uttana Mandukasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Spread both knees wide apart. Put your arms as shown in the video. This asana is helpful in relieving back pain and neck pain. It also improves lung capacity. Bend the right leg and place the right foot beside the left knee. Place the left palm beside right foot. As you exhale, twist the body to the right and remain in the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing and relax. Lie down on your stomach with feet wide apart. Rest your head on both the palms as shown in the video. This asana is practiced as relaxation for all the other asanas. Lie down on your stomach. Place your hands just beside the body. As you inhale slowly, lift the chin and chest up to the navel region. Stay here comfortably. And come back to the normal position. Keep your palms beside the chest and raise the elbows. Inhale and slowly lift the chin and chest up to navel region. Stay here comfortably. Exhale and relax by coming back to the normal position. Lie down on your stomach. Put your hands beside your stomach. Inhale and raise the legs off the floor as shown in the video. Stay in the position for 10 seconds by breathing normally and try not to bend the knees as much as possible. Exhale and bring down and rest in Makarasana. Lie down on your back. Bend both the legs at the knees and hold your ankles with your hands as shown in the video. Inhale and slowly raise your buttocks and trunk as much as possible. Remain in this position for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Exhale and return to Shavasana. Lie down on the floor and slowly raise your legs together until they reach 30 degrees. Try to stay in that position for 10 to 15 seconds by breathing normally. Slowly exhale and reach to the normal position. Now slowly lift your legs together by inhaling until they reach 90 degrees to the ground and stay in that position by normal breathing. And exhale and come back to the normal position. Relax in Shavasana. Lie down flat on the back. Bend both the knees and bring the thighs to the chest. Exhale, rise up and touch your chin with the knees. Hold the legs firmly with the hands and relax. Lie down on your back with arms and legs wide apart. Relax whole body consciously and concentrate on breathing. It helps us relieve from all the stress and relieves mind, body and soul. Sit in the meditative posture and inhale deeply through nostrils. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the abdominal muscles and relax. Complete 30 rapid breaths. Then take a deep breath and exhale slowly. This is one round of Kapalabhati. Be careful that only abdominal muscles are under contractions without any movements in chest and shoulder regions. Beginners can practice up to 3 rounds of 20 breaths each. Sit in meditative posture. Keep the spine straight with eyes closed. Relax the body with few deep breaths. Keep the left palm on the left knee in Dhyana Mudra. Place the little finger and the index finger on the left nostril. Place your right thumb on the right nostril. Now take a deep breath to right nostril and exhale it through left nostril. And take a deep breath through left nostril and exhale it through right nostril. Sit in Padmasana or any comfortable posture. Place your hands in Dhyana Mudra. Roll the tongue from the sides as a tube. Fill the lungs with the air to the maximum capacity by inhaling. Now take the tongue inside and close the mouth. Exhale from the nostrils. This is Shitali Pranayama and repeat this for 4 more times. Sit in Padmasana or any comfortable posture with eyes closed. Close the eyes with the index fingers, mouth with ring and small fingers, and ears with respective thumbs as shown in the video. This is also called as Sanmukhi Mudra. Inhale deeply through nose and exhale slowly in a controlled manner while making a deep humming sound such as of a black bee. This is one round of Bhramari Pranayama. Sit in any comfortable posture with eyes closed. Put your fingers in Dhyana Mudra. Arms and shoulders should be relaxed. Just have mild focus on your breathing. Try to stay peaceful without any external pressures. Dissolve your thoughts and attain single pure thought. After completion of Dhyanam, usually we should end our yoga sessions with a prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet, shanti shanti shanti.
So today, let us all together take a pledge that we will practice yoga sincerely and make it a daily lifestyle to do yoga and make our lives better. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and stay safe.